intro section. Hey there, MoneyMind Motion crew. Welcome back to the channel that's all about firing up your financial freedom, one smart move at a time. I'm your host, and today, November 18th, 2025, we're talking straight-up gold. Best side hustles in 2026, U.S.-specific opportunities. With inflation ticking at 2.4% this fall per the latest BLS data and the gig economy exploding, Upwork reports a 15% year-over-year growth in freelance gigs heading into 2026. Now's the perfect moment to stack that extra cash. Over 36% of U.S. adults are already side hustling, pulling in an average $891 a month according to Bankrate's 2025 survey. But the real winners are those eyeing scalable plays like AI tools and e-commerce that could hit $40,000 to $60,000 annually. Forget the myths. These aren't pipe dreams. They're backed by fresh forecasts from Forbes, NASDAQ, and Journeybee's October 2025 reports projecting 2026 booms in digital services and sustainable gigs. We'll break down the top 10 U.S.-focused hustles with earnings potential, startup costs, tax tips, and how to launch from your couch or car. Whether you're a teacher in Texas moonlighting online or a retiree in Florida flipping resale, these are low-barrier, high-reward paths tailored to American regs like IRS 1099 forms and state gig laws. By the end, you'll have a game plan to turn evenings into earnings. Let's hustle smarter. Motion starts now. Hustle 1, AI-powered freelancing. Kicking off our top 10, AI-powered freelancing, the rocket fuel of 2026 side gigs with ChatGPT and tools like Midjourney exploding, demand up 200% for prompt engineers per Forbes' November 2025 piece. This is your ticket to $2,500 to $6,000 monthly from home. U.S. freelancers on Upwork are already netting $50 to $150 per hour, crafting AI content, graphics, or chatbots for small businesses starving for tech help amid the AI adoption wave startup. $0 to $100. Free tools plus a LinkedIn profile. Why U.S. specific? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork handle 1099 compliance, but watch California's AB5 gig worker rules. Opt for LLC if scaling earnings tip. Specialize in niches like e-com product descriptions. NASDAQ predicts $40,000 plus add-ons for coders by mid-2026. Real talk. A Texas mom I know cleared $4,000 last month optimizing Etsy listings with AI. Scalable, flexible, and future-proof, as Deloitte forecasts 25% of jobs AI augmented by 2026. Dive in via Upwork's AI category. Consistency beats perfection. Here, Hustle 2, online tutoring and coaching. Number 2, online tutoring and micro-coaching, exploding as parents and pros upskill in a post-AI world rates. $20 to $45 per hour now, climbing to $30 to $60 by 2026 with group sessions. Per Yahoo's 2025 review, potential $1,500 to $5,000 per month part-time. Platforms like VIP Kid or Wisent connect you to U.S. students needing SAT prep or coding basics, with 79% of tutors earning steady via Zoom. U.S. Edge, tax deduct laptop mileage if traveling for in-person. IRS allows 67 cents per mile in 2026 low entry, $0 if you leverage skills in math, languages, or career coaching. Journey lists it top for educators. In Florida's booming retiree market, Coach resume tweaks for $50 per pop data shows 40% retention boost for virtual learners per LinkedIn's 2025 stats. Your evenings could fund that vacay. Hustle 3, e-commerce and Amazon reselling. Spot 3, e-commerce and Amazon reselling. The evergreen cash cow projected to hit $1.2 trillion in U.S. sales by 2026 per Shopify. Flip thrift finds or dropship via Shopify, earnings $1,000 to $10,000 per month once rolling, with resellers averaging $3,000 per NASDAQ startup. $200 for inventory tools. Use apps like Jungle Scout for deals. U.S. perks. FBA handles shipping, but tracks sales tax via Avalara. States like NY mandate Nexus filings. Half-Baked's October 2025 trends show 151% surge in stock photography resale too. A Cali garage warrior turned $500 flips into $50,000 yearly, scalable with AI listings. Pro, passive after setup. Con, competition, but niches like sustainable goods boom 30% year over year. Hustle 4, content creation and micro-influencing. 4. Content creation and micro-influencing on TikTok, YouTube, or IG monetize via affiliates, ads, or sponsorships. With U.S. creators earning $500 to $5,000 per month at 10,000 followers, LinkedIn forecasts 20% growth in 2026 micro-niches like eco-tips, free start, phone, plus Canva. Earnings via Amazon affiliates, up to 10% commissions. U.S.-specific FTC disclosure rules for sponsored posts. Fine $40,000 if skipped in Texas. Local brand deals add $1,000 gigs. Printify's 2025 guide ranks it top creative hustle, with POD integration boosting 25%. Build audience with consistent posts. One viral vid pays bills. Hustle 5, gig delivery and rideshare. Mid-list, gig delivery and rideshare via Uber, DoorDash. Reliable $15 to $25 per hour in urban U.S. spots, $800 to $2,000 per month flexible. With EV incentives in 2026, CA/NY, boosting tips 10%, Thunes predicts steady demand. Startup, car plus app, deduct gas 67 cents per mile. U.S. Watch, Proposition 22 in CA, protects gig status, peak evenings net $30 per hour in NYC, stacks with full-time sans burnout. Hustle 6, freelance writing and design. 6, freelance writing and graphic design. Versatile $30 to $100 per hour on Upwork, $1,000 to $4,000 per month. Tools. Free, Grammarly, Canva, U.S. clients via Contently. 2026 trend, AI-assisted copy, up 100% demand. Deduct home office, scale to agency. Hustle, 7, print on demand. 7, print on demand via Printify, Teespring, design tees, mugs, earn $500 to $3,000 per month passive. $0 startup, Etsy integration. U.S. sales tax varies by state. Use TaxJar. Booms in custom merch. 40% growth projected. Hustle 8, virtual assisting. 8, virtual assisting for busy pros. $20 to $40 per hour, $1,000 to $3,000 per month via Belay. Skills, scheduling, social. U.S. remote boom. $1,099 easy. Deduct internet. Hustle 9, pet sitting and dog walking. 9, pet sitting on Rover, $15 to $30 per visit, $800 to $2,500 per month in pet-loving states like Colorado. $0 start. Background check, free. 2026 pet market $150 billion. Deduct mileage. Hustle 10, mobile services, car detailing, lawn care. 10, mobile car detailing or lawn care, $100 to $500 per job, $2,000 to $5,000 per month scaling, $200 tools, TaskRabbit lists, U.S. suburbs goldmine, local biz licenses cheap. Tips and conclusion. Quick tips. Track earnings via QuickBooks for IRS. Diversify to avoid burnout. Forbes says side stacking up 25% in 2026. Start small, scale smart. Wrapping up, fam. These 10 hustles could add $10,000 to $50,000 to your 2026 bottom line amid 2.2% GDP growth. Pick one. Launch today. Like, sub, comment your pick. Keep the motion. Wealth awaits.